Today we're diving into the fierce national debate surrounding Zimbabwe's Constitution Amendment Bill number 3. The proposed legislation, which seeks to extend the presidential and parliamentary terms to 7 years and remove the public's right to directly elect the president, has sparked massive controversy.
To express our rejection of the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3.
In the Bill number 3, isa yenelembeli nesikonzero chinoti isisu tichenda kunovhota takavhotera president kuti vagare for 5 years not 7 years. Saka chavanoda chacho kuti vaachieve in about 2 years time chavakatadza kuachiva ne10 years dzichange dzavakange vaita chii. I feel kuti apana chitsotsi chiri kuitika apa. Why do I say so? With Ian Douglas Smith, together with his cabinet, they crafted a mighty token positive. As the Arabic token positive, a token positive as Wapa and the Zimbabweans. Sakarona, the chief to also enter after time, we are Nigeria, is the mighty token positive. Like right now, the Constitution yearly is to the Constitution yearly. Never try to
Across the country, many citizens, opposition leaders, and civil rights groups are outright rejecting the bill, warning that it severely undermines democratic rights. The public outcry has been intense. Critics are raising sharp accusations, arguing that while everyday Zimbabweans continue to struggle with deepening poverty and economic hardship, the primary supporters of this amendment are political elites and those accused of looting state resources to protect their own interests. So, what exactly is buried in this sweeping legislation, and what does it mean for the future of Zimbabwe? Let's get into it.
We have Chamisa's full reaction, and we will break down exactly what his Agenda 2026 movement is planning to do about it. But before I show you his comments, we need to look at how the ruling administration is defending these sweeping constitutional changes. Watch what the Vice President of Zimbabwe had to say about why the government believes this bill is necessary for the country's stability.
Anoabvisa shumba murabwi tiri pano kusvikira pavanenge vakuda vasagadzirisa nyika ino yeZimbabwe yanyatso kutitwasa. Saka hapana anofanirwa kumborota kuti mangwana zvichaita pangu. Kana zvingadai tinoda takuda kugadzirisa nyika zvekuramba tichimhanya nepolitics zuva nezuva. Takuuya tangouya kuti shefu akutendei kubva pano tichienda mberi takutaura politics development dzekuvaka nyika dzekuendesera nyika pamberi kwete dzekungoramba tichingotamba mahumbwa hazvina zvazvinobatsira. Whether munhu ari muopposition, whether ari kupi, tiri kutaura kuti shumba murambwi vanogara varipo nekuti muzodziwa wamambo ndivo vakasarudzwa kuti vavepo. Saka musafungire kuti zvikadaiwo nefunga makore akadaiwo zvedu zvinenge zvanaka ndichapinda, hapana nzvimbo, hapana pekupinda. Ndokuzvinzwa zvakanaka. Saka vamwangu vachibhotomoka mazuva ano apera aya, nyararai. Nyararai mubva manyararira kuti ntono. Tinoda kuvaka Zimbabwe ine mutsindo inoenderera mberi.
It's inconsequential. It doesn't exist. Even if ZANU were to wake up tomorrow and impose a parliamentary circus and fast-track things, that does not change the fact that Zimbabweans do not support that stupidity. That's foolishness. It's a walk in the dark. It's a walk on the slippery slope. And they will fall. We have to organize. Citizens who are organized and mobilized can change a government anytime, particularly if the government is a disputed one. And if it has been rendered illegal and illegitimate, even by SADC, even by the AU, even by all the observer missions. So our focus is not on false fights. That's what I said. Don't fight a false fight. Assuming that we go and fight that so-called 2050, it doesn't succeed and we say we are successful. What is the definition of success? 2028? But no, that's not success. Even 2023 is not success. Success is for us to resolve what's broken. The constitutional order that has been thrown out through the window. Go and guard against abuses in government so that the governmental order is restored. So the issue is not about defending what's not there. The constitution can't be defended when it's not there. You can't defend a nullity unless if you are a nullity. You can't defend what does not exist. There's no constitution in this country. Even those who are in government know that the constitution has been shredded apart. That's why they can have a party resolution being imposed on a people. Where do you have a party resolution being a national resolution? You want to sustain a nation on the basis of party or partocracy, state-party conflation. No. Zimbabweans are bigger than political parties. If you are ZANU, you are a numerator. You can't be the denominator. The denominator is Zimbabwe. We must all come together and debate issues about the country. If you want to go it alone. And we will teach you that you can't walk alone when you are talking about national issues. It's for all of us. It's for all of us to come together and define the common way forward. So we don't want to be invited into factional fights within ZANU and join that. The crisis is a governance crisis, a constitutional order breakdown crisis, a governmental order breakdown crisis, the absence of elections. We go into an election as a ritual. What Museveni has done in Uganda, what we saw in Tanzania, partially what happened in Mozambique, that phenomenon must be arrested and curtailed. And it takes citizens who are bold, decisive, and are clear about what they want, and will lead the church.